and people invest their time and energy every single day. Yet, money always seems to remain under pressure, under control, and just slightly out of reach. The reason for this is not lack of efforts, actually. It is not lack of intelligence, actually. The real reason is that money for centuries has been designed to work for systems, institutions, and intermediaries, not for individuals. Banks take deposits, use that money to generate profits, corporations move capital and extract value. Financial institutions earn through structures that ordinary people are never given access to. And what most people receive in return in uncertainty, dependency, and very limited truth. But tonight, I'm not here to motivate you emotionally. To be honest, I'm here to educate you logically, because once understanding becomes clear, belief follows naturally, and belief built on understanding is what creates long-term commitment. And what I'm about to present you in this session is not just a company, guys. It's not just a promise. It's not a person driven opportunity. It is a system. Yes, the system. And that system is called, my friends, dollar defy. And I know that now it is building up the excitement. I can already feel it. Can you feel it? I really want to know that. Okay. So now, as you look at the very first slide, we are at the beginning of the slide, and as you can see, you will be seeing the word dollar defy, and just beneath it, very powerful statement, and that is code is law. So this single statement defines everything that dollar defy stands for. In traditional businesses and platforms, rules are controlled by people, and whenever people control rules, those rules can be changed, manipulated, paused, or removed based on emotions, pressure, or personal interest. In decentralized finance, however, rules are written in computer codes, deployed on blockchain, and once that code is live, it becomes permanent. So I know there was a word that I used that we call a smart contract. And I know that you must be thinking that, ma'am, we actually don't know what smart contract is. We are actually new to this presentation. So don't worry. This is what I'm here for. So a smart contract is self-executing digital agreement that runs automatically according to predefined rules without requiring trust in any human being. Yes, once deployed, it cannot be edited, it cannot be altered, and cannot be overridden, not even by its own creators. I know. And this is why we say code is law. Yes. So, because in this system, no individual is above the rules. So, Dollar DeFi is built on the Bennett Smart Chain, one of the most widely adopted blockchain networks in the world, known for speed, efficiency, and low transaction cost, making it accessible even to people who are new to decentralized finance. So the platform allows participation like starting from as low as like 10 US dollars only in USDT, which means entry is not restricted, guys. Yes, exactly. It already supports a global community like of over 27,000 active participants. So what this tells us, that dollar defi has been designed not for exclusivity but for scalability and long-term sustainability. And as we move forward, you will begin to understand why exactly I'm saying all these things and all this. So just stick with me in this session till the end. Do not leave the session in like between, because you know what people say, that half of the information is more dangerous than not having any kind of information, right? So just stick in the session till the end, right? So now let us clearly understand what dollar defi actually is, guys. So dollar defi is a decentralized USDT yield platform, and every word in that sentence has a meaning, guys. When we say decentralized, what means we means basically that there is no central authority controlling funds, no admin access, no hidden permissions and no ability for anyone to interfere once system is. We say USDT yield, we mean that the earning generated by this system are paid in the stable digital currency that is designed to maintain parity with the US dollars, which removes the volatility risk that is like common in many crypto based platforms. And when we say platform, we mean a structure that runs automatically through smart contracts rather than a traditional company dependent on offices, staff, or management decisions. So as you can see, dollar defi offers daily ranging returns between between 27% and 3.1%. As you can see, 27, yes, we are talking about the numbers now. What is this? 2.7% to 3.1% daily returns that you're getting, daily returns that you're getting, right? And structured within a 50-day earning cycle with 0% withdrawal fees and a 25 level referral program that allows participants to build long-term network income. And however, the most important line in this line, and I want you to pay very close attention to this, guys, is the statement at the bottom. Raw yield from Pancake Swap version 3 liquidity pool trading fees. The single line separates dollar DeFi from all the thousands of platforms that promise returns without having a genuine economic engine behind it, right? So this tells us that the income generated here is not artificial, not inflationary, and not dependent on any like new people joining the system. It is deprived from real market activity. And I know now that you must be thinking that what problem is it exactly solving in this market? So to truly appreciate the value of dollar defi, you must understand the problem it was designed to solve. So the decentralized finance space has been countless platforms appear and disappear, and the reasons for their failure are like often quite the same, right? Because many platforms collapses between because of the administrators retain hidden control and can change rules or drain funds at any moment. Others fail because they promise unrealistic returns that are not supported by real revenue, leading to inevitable collapses. And many systems operate with zero transparency, meaning users have no way to verify where their money is going and how returns are actually generated. So dollar defi addresses these problems at a structured level, guys. So the smart contract used by dollar defi is immutable, meaning the code cannot be changed after deployment, and ownership of the contract has been renounced, which means there is no admin control, no backdoor access, and no ability for anyone to interfere with the system. And every transaction is 100% on chain, meaning it can be dependently verified by anyone using a public blockchain explorer such as BSC scan, right? So this is not just truly based on reputation, leadership. This is truly based on pure mathematics, transparency, and publicly verifiable data. So, in decentralized finance, yes, I am talking about DeFi. That is the highest form of the trust that truly exists right now. So, and you're literally getting all of this with dollar DeFi. So, I can definitely say that this is actually a very unique opportunity that you're getting your hands on, right? Can you feel it? I'm sure you'll be having the same feeling as me till the end of this session. So, now we will be moving on to the next slide. So I hope that everything is now clear to you. I hope things are going good with you, and I hope that my voice is also perfectly audible and everything is like properly understandable to you. If it is so, can you please just give me a confirmation? Is everything okay? I hope my points are now clear to you. Can you just give me a confirmation, guys? Because I really want this session to be a little interactive. So am I perfectly audible to you? Yeah, all right. Thank you. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Okay, so now I know if you're, Yeah, if you're connecting with the system, you must know that how the daily incomes and daily yield that we are offering you, how the company exactly generates all these parts, all this. How do we actually generate it? So Dollar Defy earns from something that is called liquidity pool. Think of a liquidity pool like a digital reservoir of funds on decentralized exchange, also known as DEX. Yes, decentralized exchange. People trade tokens directly with each other without a broker. That means without a middleman, without a third party. So Pancake Swap is one such decentralized exchange, and when someone swaps tokens on Pancake Swap, a small fee is charged, and that fee is not taken by a company. It goes directly to the liquidity providers. And Dollar Defy places under funds into Pancake Swap three liquidity pools. And as trading happens globally, fees are generated continuously, and those fees become the source of daily rewards. So income here is not imaginary. It comes from real people trading and every second literally worldwide. So now you must be thinking that how exactly is it working and everything. So now I think that the point is now clear to you that what you're doing here, it directly goes into the Pancake Swap Web3 liquidity pool, and then the trader swaps the token using the liquidity, thousands of tokens like on a daily basis. Every swap generates a trading fees, and the fees are then collected and distributed as a daily return. And this is how company is giving massive amounts of returns and everything, because this concept has truly have an impactful, a very unique sort of fund generation ecosystem. And that is why this whole ecosystem makes Dollar Defy the most perfect and the most unique opportunity that you are seeing in your entire life in this whole industry. And I know that now you must be thinking that how exactly does it works, guys. So now let me explain you how normal user experience this system. So the user experience is intentionally simple. It's quite simple. You collect you connect a wallet, like connecting an email account. You deposit USDT, a stable digital dollar, and then the system starts working automatically. Yes, the system starts working automatically. So now if you are still thinking how exactly does it work and how can I connect myself with the system, this is how you can connect. This is how you just need to register. Yes, you can connect your wallet, any wallet, token pocket or maybe SafePath. Yes, and choose a unique username for yourself. Get your personal referral link if it is there. I'm sure any person who will be like referring you, you will be having a referral link. You can paste it over there, and right after that, you just need to select an amount, and the minimum investment starts with only and only $10, 10 USDT. There are absolutely no maximum limits on investments or deposits. Your tier is assigned automatically used on your deposit amount. Whatever the amount that you are choosing to start with, to begin with, this that will decide your tier automatically. And on the basis of your investment, you will be earning daily, like from 2.7% to 3.1%. And the payout time will be like from 7 p.m. every day UTC. And the cycle length will be 50 days total. So you see, there are so many people in this world who are literally stuck in traditional systems where banks, any banks, if you see, what are they offering? They are offering like 5 to 7% returns, that too not on a daily basis, not on a weekly basis. They are offering you this on a yearly basis. And now if you compare to that, you are literally receiving 2.7% to 3.1% every single day daily. So now you see the difference. Now you see the difference, and that is why we are saying this is a smart era, guys. And I know that you guys are really, really smart, and for that, you really need a very smart opportunity and smart returns as well. So now this is the moment, this is the time where you need to know that yes, this is the moment where I really need to shift my life from traditional to a smart income with a very, very, very smart plan. And that is, yes, guys, that is dollar defy. So now it's time to understand all the incomes and earnings that I'm telling you exactly. So now here, let's understand the tier system. So basically, behind this simple experience, however, it is like a very structured earning mechanism. So the platform uses a tier based return model. Think of it as like a small engine gives steady speed, a larger engine gives more power, but both follow the same rules. Yes, both follow the same rules. So now you can see, guys, that what exactly this journey tells you exactly. So from the entry point of earning, the user experience is quite intentionally simple. So right. So now if you can see, there are like seven tiers here. There are like seven tiers here. And from those tiers and everything, if you see, you can start with one tier and with a minimum investment of $10 to $2,500, whatever you're choosing to invest in, you will be receiving a 1% daily ROI and the capital is like 2%. So the total daily that you're earning is like 3%. 50-day total is 150%. You see what am I exactly telling you here? I know. Now you must be thinking that where should I start from? See, whatever I'm telling you, if you choose to start with $10, if you choose to start with $10,000, if you choose to start with like $50,000, whatever it is, just the most important thing is that do not wait up. Do not wait up. The moment you're starting with, trust me, that is the moment you are choosing your financial freedom, and that you're choosing only and only with dollar defy, guys. I hope whatever I'm trying to convince and make you, trying to tell you here, you're getting exactly my point, right? So now it's time that the first tier is like from $10 to $2,500. The second tier is like $2,501 to $10,000. The deposit will be ranging in between this price, and the ROI will be 0.9%, and the capital is like 2%. Total daily is like 2.9%. So the 50-day total return will be what? 145%. Tier 3, ranging from $10,001 to $25,000, the ROI is like 0.8%, and the capital is like 2%. So the total daily will be 2.8% and the 50-day total will be 140%. So therefore, you will be receiving a daily total of 2.7%. Yes, and the 50-day total is 135%. And just like that, this is purely dynamic. So from tier 5, you will be earning a total daily of 2.8%, and the 50-day total will be 140% again. And from tier 6, you will be earning a ROI of 1%. The capital portion will be 2%, and the total daily will be of 3%. So the 50-day total will be a 150%. So you see, the last but not the least, tier 7. Tier 7, where the deposit will be ranging from exactly what? So guys, as we see, the range that you will be like depositing in tier 7 will starting with only and only what? Yes, you see, it is exactly with what exactly? Yes, I hope you're getting me. Yes, that is exactly 10 lakh dollars. Yes, if you see. So this is basically $1 million plus. And the daily ROI will be 1.1%, and the capital will be like 2%, and the total daily will be 3.1%. And the 50-day total will be 155%. So if you're understanding the breakdown, ROI is basically the profit proportion of like daily return. The capital is the principal amount that you have invested in, right? Daily ROI will be on the basis of ROI plus capital combined, and the 50-day total will be like full return over the complete cycle. So this is how you can grab all these incomes and earnings, and you see each returns. Your deposit determines your tier determines your daily percentage, and each return has two parts: a reward component and a capital return component, right? So this ensures growth without, destabilizing the system. And now you must be thinking that to manage growth responsibly, dollar defy uses a three time based cycles, time-based cycles basically. So this is 50-day earning cycle, as you can see, guys. And a 50-day earning cycle exists from for only and only for one reason, and that is purely stability. And I told you that this is the most sustainable plan you will ever see, because this has a whole plan, the mathematical calculations and all the ifs and buts. So trust me, this is truly a well planned system, a well planned stable plan, yes, which gives you the more reliability, where you can actually rely with your future plans and everything. So now this is a 50-day earning cycle. How you can like invest your journey, and how exactly is this going to work? So the 50-day earning cycle exist only for one reason, and that is purely stability. So during the cycle, rewards accumulate daily. Rewards are paused to protect liquidity, and after the cycle ends exactly, the user has complete freedom. So, similar to how fixed deposits or investment fund usually works, structure creates strength, guys. So you can see during this 1 day to 50-day cycles, you will be earning daily based year rewards. Yes, you will be watching the balance grow seamlessly, and you can access daily performance insights. There will be like no early withdrawals will be allowed, no early withdrawals will be entertained. And after 50-day withdrawal phase, you can unlock a full access to your balance. Yes, you can withdraw or reinvest very freely, and also advance to higher tiers for better perks. If you want better perks and better advantages, you can definitely go on to the higher tiers. And obviously the cycle resets upon reinvestment is the real key to success, guys. So this is the like 50 on 50, 80% earned, yes, and $2,500 plus values you're getting here. 2000. So this is where compounding becomes truly powerful. So now we are talking about compounding here. This compounding word itself is a like very heavy word, right? So compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Yes, eighth wonder of the world. So this is how exactly it works. And I think you will also receive a PDF that will be telling you that this is actually a eighth wonder of the world. So it works like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, growth looks slow, but with time, momentum builds. Yes. So by regrowing rewards instead of withdrawing, users increase their active capital. So this is how small beginnings turn into massive, meaningful outcomes, not overnight, but sustainably. So, as you can see, if you start with like $50, yes, without regrow, like $75, you will be having plus $25. This will be like without regrow, and with daily regrow, it will be like $75 plus $25. So, this is like on $100 investment. Without, it will be like $150, but with daily regrow it will be plus 50% plus $50. And right after that, with like $500, it will be plus $75 extra profit you'll be getting. Yes, because there will be a 250 plus 250. Yes, without regrow we are talking about this, and with daily regrow it will be like $825. Yes, and right after that, why, with investment of like $1000, it will be an extra profit of $1580. And with the investment of like $2500, yes, the extra profit that you will be getting will be like $10,450, guys. So this is how the total, as you can see, the total gain like from 2005 dollars will be like 460%, and that makes it a total of $14,200. This is massive. This is insane, and this is like 5.7x of your invested amount. So you see, this is the like regrow rules. This is where the compounding actually rules, guys. So this makes the network income an extensive value. extensive value, not just a pressure, right? So this is how the compounding actually works. This is massive, guys. This is truly, truly massive. But there are some regrow rules, as you can see. The minimum regrow will be like $10, creates like new 50-day deposit instantly, and it compounds your active capital, and you may change your tier level like if crossing threshold. So the minimum investment is like $10, and minimum regrow is also $10, right? So now we see the compounding power here. Compounding power, as you can see, guys. So as you can see, guys, we are actually growing strategically, very, very strategically. So daily regrow strategy is what it is, the growth investment. So if your investment is like $5,000, so without grow, and after with grow, what it will be? Without regrow, it will be only $7,250. But with daily regrow, it will be $37,200. Yes, the extra profit will be what? $29,950 exactly. Yes. And on 10,000, that's what we are seeing here. On 10,000, it is like $27,200 plus extra profit on this total gains. And right after, on like $15,000, what it will be, it will be like $38,500 extra profit. And on $20,000, it will be like $51,300 extra profit. And on $25,000 investment, it will be $64,200 extra profit. So you see, like you have started the only and only $5,000, and you're going all the way till $37,200, and the total gain will be insane. It is like 644% of the gain. That is 7.4x of your money. Yes. And if you're starting with $25,000 and going all the way till $99,200, the total gain will be 297%. That is 4x of your income. So this is, the bigger you start with, the bigger you actually grow here. So this is quite true. This is the pure calculations that you must need to understand, and not just understanding. You need to feel this. You need to feel this growth, that the people who are still, I'm telling you this again, the people who are still stuck on the traditional investment, you see the growth. This is massive. And earlier, these kind of opportunities were only for, big corporations and in all the people. But nowadays, with dollar defy, this opportunity is between all of us, and we can definitely take advantage of this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. So you really need to understand that this truly is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And you know what they say, that nothing, absolutely nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. So I really hope that you would not miss out on this once in a lifetime opportunity that has been brought up to you by Dollar Defy. So now we'll be talking about the 25 level referral program here. Yes, now we are talking about the network here. And this referral system here is designed quite differently, guys. So this is not just about, inviting endlessly. This is about building a qualified participations. Yes. So if I say the network marketing industry is itself a very beautiful industry, yes. So the more kind of network you have, the more kind of like the bigger network you have, the bigger net worth you have. Yes, you see the point. The bigger network you have, the biggest net worth you have. So this is the rule of network marketing. If you grow, if you go with all the, if you just don't go endlessly. If you start building qualified participation, so levels usually unlock gradually, ensuring balance. Commissions are earned from real activity, not just sign-ups, guys. So what you need, see, for example, if you are like on very first level, you need to, you need to invite two people, and right after that they will be inviting more of the two people. So this is how this whole scenarios will work. So this is how a 25 level referral program will be working. If you refer two people in your downline, they will be referring two people in their downline, and right after, from your like level 2, people will be joining. It will be like 23 levels, and soon it will be going to 25 levels. 25 levels referral program. This will be your network, and you can earn up like on exactly 25 levels deep. So this is how exactly this is going to work. So you refer your friend, on level 1, they refer friends on level 2, and this chain continues to level 25. So you earn commission on all 25 levels. This is insane, right? So the people who are joining, yes, exactly, you are getting a referral income from their joining. Yes, a referral income. And what exactly is that? A total commission available will be what? 15.5%. Yes, 15.5%. So you see, on deposits, full commission rate is like 100%. When you earn commission is like quite important. And on regrowths, half of the rate, 50% of normal commissions. For example, if you're getting like 1.5% on deposit, like on first level, then on deposit, then after regrowth it will be 0.75% on regrow. So this applies on all 25 levels, guys, and the commissions added to your network balance will be on an instant basis. Yes, so deposits are like 100% rate and regrows will be on 50% rate. So you see, I'm already telling you that this plan is a full-fledged plan that you really need to, climb up to your financial freedom, to your success, guys. So if you really want to achieve success in your life, there's only one rule to attain success in your life. Success only comes to those who believe in hard work. So you really gotta work hard. You really gotta work hard on your dreams, guys. So only working hard is not enough. You also need smart work nowadays, because we are living in a smart era. So that is why this smart plan is literally going to help you achieve that financial freedom and that smart earning, guys. So this is the network balance withdrawal rules. Minimum is like $5, maximum is like $1,000 per day, and fees is 0%. Exactly. So if you want, your referral link will be like this. So now we will be talking about a 25 level commissions rate here. 25. So early contributors is also recognized through instant reward. So now we will be talking about our 25 level commission rates here. So the onboarding bonus rewards for your introducing serious participants, it is immediate, transparent, and separate from long-term commission. So this actually creates momentum without forcing behavior. So now as a team grows, leadership is naturally formed, right? So here is how we are talking about 25 level commission rates. 25 level commission rates. So what are these commission rates, guys? So now let me tell you, like from level 1 to level 13 it is going. And on the deposit, like if the deposit is, if it is like 1.5%, the regrow will be 0.75%. And for that, what do you need? These are the conditions, as you can see, guys. So one stream, if one stream that comes from your capital, the other will be coming from your influence. Yes, exactly. So there will be a condition on this, like the self amount should be more than or equals to $10. On the second level, the same condition it is there, but these are the conditions that you must fulfill for unlocking all these levels, guys, right? So on the all the four levels, the condition is sorry, on all the three levels, the condition, the self amount condition is basically the your amount, self amount should be more than or equals to $10. And on fourth level, it should be like more than or equals to $50. And there should always, there will be a direct condition. Direct will be like two directs, and those directs should join like from equals to or more than $50. Yes, exactly. And then only the regrow will be happening. Like from first it is like 0.75%, on second and third and fourth it is like 0.50%, and from fifth level it is exactly what, 0.25%. But there are some self amount conditions, and as well as there are the direct conditions, as you can see, guys. So you must fulfill all these directs and the self conditions, and only then you will be unlocking all these 13 levels. And you see, guys, the regrow from like all the way till 13th level, it is going to be 0.25%, and on 12th level it is 0.125%. So this is truly amazing. This plan is actually a very, I mean, if we see, this plan is actually a very unique opportunity, because I already told you that this plan has been made with all the thoughts that what are the market conditions and what people actually need and what are they expecting. This is truly an idea of what people are expecting. And trust me, if you get on board on this journey from this day one, this could be a decision of your lifetime. This one decision can change your life like truly forever and forever. So now the commission rate, like when downline makes a new deposit, this is how deposit is. Regrow is the commission rate when downline regrows, and this is like always 50% of deposit rate. Self amount, your minimum deposit required to unlock these levels, and the directs, I've already told you that the number of qualified directs needed, each with like $50 plus deposits at least. So levels 1 to level 3 are always open with just $10 deposit. But after that, right after that, you need to qualify for direct conditions. Yes, exactly. So now guys, this 25 level commissions, if I tell you about like from it just not ends with like 13 level, it goes all the way till, yes, 25 levels. Yes, this is the catch, this is the catch. And you can see that the deposit and the regrowth on 14th level is also 0.125%. On 15th it is like 0.25%. On 16th it is exactly 0.125%, and going all the way from 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 25th level, it is 0.50%. Yes, 0.50%. But there will be obviously a self amount conditions, and that is like your self deposit should be more than or equals to $100. And also the direct conditions will be like 6 direct referrals you need to qualify, 6 direct sponsors, and they should be joining with more than or equals to $50. Yes, exactly. So regrow rewards is always 50% of the deposit reward for that level, guys. So the total deposit commissions is what exactly? It is 15.5%, guys. 15.5%. And this is the high value levels, like from 22 to 25 levels, offer the highest rates, and that is 1% to 1.5%. And that actually builds very deep to maximum, guys. So this is truly amazing. You should actually, this is a plan, like a once in a lifetime plan. And I'm telling you guys, you have to join this opportunity. Truly, truly, this is a very unique opportunity. So now we will be talking about our, referral levels as well. Just a second. Yeah. So I hope that all these things, I think this is now clear to you. I think all my points are now clear to you. So now we will be talking about the referral levels here. All the referral levels here. So if you see, guys, the referral levels we see from tier 1 to tier 4, you need to unlock all these levels. Yes. And how exactly are you going to do that? You need to unlock like from level 1 to level 3. Your deposit will be like $100, and the qualified direct, there are absolutely no conditions on qualified directs. Yes, but you can unlock tier 1. And what exactly? You will be unlocking from level 1 to level 3. Yes. And on level 2, like to unlock, tier 2 levels will be from 4 to 10. All the levels will be unlocked, and your deposit should be $50 at least. Yes, $50. And the qualified directs you need to qualify here is 2 to 3 directs. And on tier 3, it is like $100 your deposit, and 4 direct qualifiers should be there. And you will be unlocking from level 11 to 15 levels. These are the conditions to unlock all these levels, guys, right? And from tier 4, you will be unlocking, yes, from level 16 to 25. Your deposit should be $100, and qualified directs will be like 5 to 6. So your minimum deposits, as shown above, both are the conditions that you really need to qualify. If you don't qualify for these conditions, I'm so sorry, but you won't be able to unlock all these levels, and you won't be getting your hands on these amazing incomes and incentives, guys. So this is like, what are the qualified directs? If you don't, if you didn't understand, this is also important. A qualified direct is like a level 1 referral, your direct, a person that you're joining directly on your downline. Yes, with a minimum of joining like $50 or more than that. Like their active deposit should be more than $50. Exactly. So if we see an example to unlock level like from 4th to 10th level, what you need, your deposit should be at least $50, and 2 to 3 qualified directs, each with $50 plus active deposit. So everyone gets a level 1 automatically with just $10 deposit that I've already cleared before, right? So now it's time, guys. So now it's actually time to talk about the instant rewards for building your team. Yes, these are the instant rewards. So what are the instant rewards? If your direct first deposit should will be like in between $50 to $99, your instant bonus that you will be getting will be $5. Yes, will be $5. And if your direct's first deposit will be like for example it is like more than $100, your instant bonus that you will be getting will be, guys, $10. Yes, $10. So this is like one time bonus per new user only, and this applies to their first deposit only, not to their subsequent deposits. This is on your first deposit. Yeah, on their first deposit, not after that. Okay, and this will be added to your network balance instantly, guys, and added to your network balance. This is extra on top of your regular referral commission, and you still earn referral commission separately. So guys, you see, if you refer 10 new members who are like depositing like with $100, onboarding bonus will be like 10 people into like $10, it will be like $100 instantly, plus referral commission will also be there. That is like $10, sorry, 10 people starting with $100 into 1.5%. If your referral commission will be exactly $15. Yes, exactly, $10 is your instant bonus, and 1.5%, that is your 5%, will be added in your like as your referral commission. So the total from these levels, 10 referrals only, you will be earning a total of $115. This is the pure calculation, and this is pure magic, guys. This is pure calculation and pure magic. So now we are another talking about eight leadership ranks here. Eight leadership ranks. And this is not just leadership, guys. This is not just leadership. If you see, these are the recognitions that you will be flexing on. That yes, I'm the inviter in Dollar Defy. I'm the leader in Dollar Defy. What are you saying? I've already achieved star title. So these are the different ranks and recognition that you can flex on. But what do you need to get on these, like get qualify all these titles? You will be needing a total team size, exactly, and team business as well, and you will be getting a bonus of that amount, right? So very first rank is like inviter rank, where your team size should be 100 team members at least in your team, and the amount of business that you should have from your team is like $5,000. Yes, and the bonus you will be getting will be like exactly 1%, guys, 1%. And on promoter, it will be 2%. Yes, exactly. And on leader, it will be 3%. On partner, it is like 4%. On star, it is 5. Royal star, it is 6. Crown star, it is 8. And yes, exactly, on king star, it is like 9%, guys. And this is special. This is special. So the minimum team size, total members in your team, it should qualify the condition. The minimum team business, it should also qualify the conditions. And you must first achieve the crown star rank first, and you should have at least three direct referrals who are also known as crown stars if you want to achieve the king star, which is the highest, the most elite rank. So what are you waiting for, guys? What are you even waiting for? So these are the different ranks that you really need in your life, and I'm telling you that after achieving all these ranks, you will be having a very dignified positions in this whole community, right? So now this is how the leadership bonus exactly works. As you can see, your position, if let's say if you're crown star, you're getting what exactly 8%, right? And your downline leader is supposed to be like getting 5%. The difference you will be getting, yes, you will be getting like 8 minus 5 is like 3%. So this is kind of a differential bonus that you're getting. Yes, and this is your leadership rank, guys. So downline team basically generates 1,000 USDD in ROI activity. Then your earning will be like $1,000 into 3%, then that is $30 as well. So the key points are what exactly you earn on all leaders below you in your network, all from all the leaders that are working hard in your network. So the higher rank will be like bigger differential, more earnings, and leadership bonuses also earn on teams ROI activity. that I've already just told you. So this is extra, a top of referral commission, and which is cherry on top, guys. So the higher rank you have, the bigger differential you'll be getting, and more earnings that you will be getting, guys. So this is quite amazing. I literally am astonished by all these rewards and earnings. So now we will be talking about two income streams here, which is first investment rewards, and the second is like network rewards here. So the source for investment rewards, your own deposits you'll be getting. I already read you. Let me remind you again. 2.7% to 3.1% daily returns basis on your tier. Yes. And the amount, the income that you'll credited, the investment rewards will be credited at exactly 7 p.m. UTC. Yes, and there will be a 50-day earning cycle, and also 135% to 155% total return per cycle. Yes, and that goes to investment balance and the network rewards. This will be like from your team's activity, the referral commission up to 15.5% on 25 levels on deposits as well as on regrows. And second is like onboarding bonus, like $5 to $10 per new member, the first deposit only. And the leadership up to 9% on team ROI activity, and this goes straight to network balance, guys. So basically, what is this? This is investment plus the amazing network that you'll be building, and you will be getting an unlimited, unimaginable, limitless earning power, and you will be feeling this, guys. You will be actually feeling this. So trust me, this plan, this concept is actually beyond imagination. You just need to start off your journey right here, right now, guys. So now we will be talking about withdraw or redraw. These you can understand. Like after each cycle, the choice is yours. Withdraw freely or reinvest strategically. And I must say, guys, that reinvestment is the real key to success in network marketing. This is my key actually, because I have been in this industry myself from past 6 to 7 years, right? And I see the more reinvestment you'll be doing, and the more regrow, and all these factors will be working on reinvestments only. So that is why I say this is my line, that reinvestment is the real key to success in networking, right? So now, as you can see, guys, withdraw freely or reinvest strategically, there are absolutely no lockups, no penalties, and freedom is built into the system. So you see the investment balance will be like minimum $5, maximum is like no maximum limits on that, and the network balance is also $5. Yes, and minimum is $5 and the maximum is $1,000 per day. Absolutely zero fee will be applied on this. This will be directly to your wallet, instantly credited directly to your wallet. Yes, there will be absolutely no waiting period, no hidden fees. Yes, and on team, if you see about regrow maximum, the value will be like minimum will be like $10. Yes, maximum no limits. Exactly. Effect creates a 50-day deposit cycle. Yes, and the benefit compounds your active capital, it is getting compounded, guys, and the tier impact will be, it may improve your tier levels, right? So no lockups, no cooldowns, full on flexibility. So this is the freedom to choose, freedom to say yes to your life, and freedom to say now it's time to say yes to Dorify. So this is built for security, true security, guys. So this is how, trust the code, not the team, right? So now you see 100% like LP first. All deposits go directly to Pancake Swap liquidity pool. We are talking about 100% liquidity pool first, right? Directly the deposit goes to the Pancake Swap V3 liquidity pool. That are absolutely, the code cannot be changed because this is like built on smart contract, immutable smart contract that I've already told you about. There are no ownership renounced, no admin control, fully decentralized system it is, so you can trust blindly on the system, guys. And also there are like no emergency functions, cannot be paused, freeze, or drain funds. And also on chain transparent, verify every transaction on BSC scan. That is the transparency, the ironclad security that you're getting. And community driven, this is totally decentralized and trustless by design, guys. So you can truly trust this opportunity. And I'm telling you, don't just trust, you can verify all these things with your own hands. So guys, This is the time. So now I know that you must be thinking that just let me know, guys. Just let me know how can I start my journey. You can literally get started with this amazing concept with just three simple steps. Just three simple steps, and that takes less than 5 minutes, guys. Just prepare your wallet, downline like Token Pocket or SafePal. Yes, that is your decentralized wallet, and add a Binance Smart Chain BSC network and get USDT BEP20 standard on your like deposit. Get a small amount of BNB for gas fees, like for like $1 or $2 maybe. That's it. That will be applied as a gas fees. And then register yourself on www.dollardefy.io and connect your wallet. Click connect wallet. Enter your sponsor ID and confirm transaction in your wallet. Verify your deposit and start earning rewards right here, right now, guys. So if you're still thinking that why you should choose DollarDefi, you must have to look at this table. Yes, active community. We have already crossed like 27,000 plus members already. Daily ROI is like insane, 2.7% to 3.1%. Earning cycle is like 50 days. Total return are like 135 to 155%. Referral levels are like 25 levels. Total commission from those referral levels will be like 15.5%. Leadership ranks is 8th rank. Maximum leadership bonus will be like 9%. Withdrawal fees is 0%. Minimum investment is $10. Minimum redraw is also $10. Minimum withdrawal is $5. The network withdrawal limit is $1,000 per day, and yield source is like 100% liquidity back. So this is the real yield, real returns, and a real opportunity that you were literally waiting from all these years. And now the wait is over, guys. So now it's time to literally join and stop thinking. Literally, just stop thinking. And before, this is how the decentralized system is actually works, and this is how the decentralized system earns confidence, guys. So before we close the session, I want you to reflect on something very very important, guys. Every major shift in history looked uncomfortable at first. You all know that. The internet, online banking, digital payments, right? But those who waited for absolute certainty often arrive last, guys. So dollar defi is not just about urgency, it is about positioning yourself where systems are transparent, where rules are fixed, where growth is connected to real activity. And opportunities do not announce themselves loudly, they quietly reward those who take time to understand them early. So tonight it is all about understanding what you do with the understanding this entire system, this entirely decision, and that freedom to choose with clarity is the real value of decentralized finance, guys. So I hope that all my points are now clear to you. So now it's time, guys. So now it's time for you need to understand that we also have a very, in the end I have a very amazing concept also for you. So before we end the session, I want you to think about of something. In every city where are people, like there are people who wait for opportunities, like because obviously even myself I was like waiting for a very good opportunity that I've already joined on, right? So like in every city there are people who wait for opportunities, and there are people who create platforms. So this program that I'm about to tell you, this is not just a program. This is not just about $200 that you're earning. This is about being recognized as someone who brings knowledge, clarity, and structure to others. Yes. So, years from now, when DeFi becomes mainstream, people will remember who explained it to them very first. Leadership is not declared, it is demonstrated, guys. So, now I present an offer to you. DollarDefi is offering you a chance to step forward, not loudly, yes, but meaningfully. And what exactly this offer is all about? Let me tell you, guys. This offer is all about that. For all the crypto leaders and influencers out there, the DollarDefi is giving you a chance to host your own dollar defy event in your city or anywhere, and you can get a chance to earn a $200 reward. Yes, a $200 reward. So there will be some minimum qualifying conditions over that. So I think now things are now clear to you. What do you need? At least there are some qualifying conditions. You need to gather your audience. At least 12 to 25 participants should be there, and 5 new activations you'll be needing. Yes, and each member must activate the account with a minimum of like $100, and these 5 joinings must come within your first 3 referral levels. And also there are some other conditions as well to organize, to plan your event, gather your audience like 12 to 50, 25 crypto lovers, and you receive your $50 advance to get started. And right after that, if you like, after the event, like if you submitted all the reports and everything, including photos and video clips, to our team ambassador, to your team ambassador, or like for verification, once everything is verified, once the report is like verified, the remaining $150 reward is sent directly to your wallet. So this is an amazing opportunity, guys. This is just an amazing opportunity to literally celebrate this opportunity, to celebrate this plan. So just let me know, are you really interested? I'm sure you must be interested, because this opportunity literally like comes like once in a while, guys. So just do not let go of this opportunity. Just join as soon as possible. And I hope that now my point is now clear to you. So reach out to the team ambassador, plan your first event, and let understanding lead the way. So thank you so much, first of all, for giving me so much of time. And I know that I've literally this session was like for 1 hour, and I have taken a lot of time of yours, but trust me, guys, all of this time that you've invested in today will be all worth it. So I hope that my point is clear to you, that this opportunity is now clear to you. So now I request our co-host, if anybody have to share their words, if you have to share your wise words with us, I would like to request our co-host to please unmute their mics and please just share your wise words with us. Mr. Charles, Mr. Farhan, if you're here with us, Mr. Islam, if you're here with us, Mr. John Miller, if you're here with us, please share your wise words with us. Mr. Farhan, please welcome on the panel, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Uh, Excellent plan presentation today from your side. On behalf of all 107 participants, I really thank thanks you. And dear leaders, I just want to tell you one thing, right? As Jennifer given each and everything, each and every detail of the platform, right? Each and everything she covered in an very extraordinary manner, what I have seen today, right? So, really, the credit goes to you, Jennifer. Thanks for that. And lastly, you covered like our great offline event, right? Just I want to repeat it. Yes, guys, you can become event ambassador by hosting your own event in your own city, right? For that, around 25, okay, around 25 people is required. In that event, you have to do 5 activations, as Jennifer said, of minimum $100. Okay. After that, you have to take the photos, video clippings, and you have to submit a report to your upline, right? And you will be getting $200 as a reward. And see, it is a very unique offer. Why? Because once you make an arrangement, you can arrange it anyway. You can do it at your home, right? You can sit in a hall, give a presentation to 25 to 30 members, and you can get it uh, signed 5 people with $100, right? In that, what happens, I'll tell you. If you sign one person with $100, you will be getting $10, right? If you sign 5 people, if you just get them entered into the system through your referral link, you will be getting $50, right? This $50 plus $200, total $250, you will be getting it, right? And you can make expenses around $50. You can spend for your expenses, for your pamphlets, and for the tea or soft drinks, whatever it is, right? Or you can spend $100 on that, and remaining $150 is in your pocket. So it is a very wonderful offline event, right? You can go for that. And regarding dollar DeFi platform, I just want to tell you one thing. This is the eighth day for this platform, which is continuously going and going, right? Still, there are many leaders. They are just watching because uh, due to the past experience, uh, they think that this platform might be of the same. No, you are wrong. This platform is totally different, right? I'm making a statement. Okay, you just note it down. Today is the eighth day for this dollar DeFi, and I'm making the statement. This platform will boom all over the globe. Yes, you just keep watching. The person who is watching, let him keep watching. The person who is working along with dollar DeFi, he will be attaining his higher position in dollar DeFi in coming days. So I want to tell each and every leader over here, please take a decision, decide it, and you can also earn huge amount from this platform. Yes, because this platform now will never stop, because it has already shown his strength. This platform has shown its strength, and it is keep on supporting us. That is very important. So any nowhere in the uh, world, I can see a platform which is giving us so good opportunity for offline event also. You can start this on offline event, and you can avail, and you can earn, right? So with this, I just thank Jennifer once again. Thank you so much for your excellent plan presentation, and I wish all leaders who are serious into this Zoom meeting today, who have attended, I request them, sit with your upline if you have any difficulties, and if you have any doubts, just get it clear. Go through the PDF once, twice, thrice. Yes, and make a decision, take a decision, get into the platform. We are there to help you. All leaders are there around the globe to help you. And that's all. Thank you very much for calling me up on this so excellent platform, that is Dollar DeFi. Thank you, and back to you, Jennifer.
Well, thank you so much, sir. First of all, for taking out time from your busy schedule and joining us today. And thank you so much for, first of all, for sharing your valuable insights with everyone. And the way you explain the offline event offer has literally given the audience a clear direction and a deeper understanding of the opportunity ahead. So we truly appreciate your presence and guidance. Thank you so much, sir. And now I would like to invite actually Mr. Shivom is like between us, sir. I would like to request you, please, you can please unmute your mic because I have no access to make you co-host. So yeah,
Yeah,
sir, you're
thank.
most welcome on the panel.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're perfectly
Yeah,
audible.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving space in the Zoom. It was a wonderful Zoom, and I love. The platform, it's very transparent and very useful for everyone, because only $10 you can start with $10, $50, $100, whatever the thing you are capable of putting the money in the platform can give you opportunity to make unlimited money. And in the last project I made from $10 itself $2,700. So it is amazing platform. It has no boundary to make unlimited. Platform gives you option to give you unlimited money, but just you have to propose, invite people, tell them about the onboarding bonus. This is a very beautiful uh, uh, plan, because whenever we invite a people to put $100, you get $10 on boarding also itself, and you enjoy 25 level debt income in this platform. And moreover, there is a leadership bonus also. When you make a team of 100 people, 500 people, you grow your structure. So that's amazing. Thank you so much. I love the project, and I'm doing day and night promoting the business in Telegram and everywhere, WhatsApp community also, and I'm getting very good response. The first step is to start. So I want that everyone should start. They should not waste the time, and they should invite the people to the Zoom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for listening me. Thank you everyone to giving space for me.
No, sir. There's always space in the room for sincere leaders like you. So thank you so much, sir, for being with us today and for your continued support and contribution to this session, obviously. And your presence and involvement is actually truly valued. So thank you so much, sir, for being here and for guiding us with your wise words. And now it's time for me to invite. I think, yeah, Mr. M.K. Shenavas, sir, is also here with us. So I would like to just a second. Yeah, let me ask you to unmute. So, am I audible to you, Mr. Shanavas, sir?
Yeah, madam. You're audible to me. Yeah.
You're most welcome on
Am I
time, sir.
audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First of all, again, a very good evening to you and to all the